Yesterday my wheelbarrow broke. This side was on its last legs. It was heavy and tipped over, and when it fell this side broke as well. Well, it's getting on its last legs anyway, because these sides started to go as well, because it's only a cheap barrow with 4 points where it's actually connected to the base. So it's not a very sturdy heavy duty barrow, but these have come out, so you can see that that's come off, and that was barely hanging on, and when it fell over this one came out as well. So what I'm going to do is try and fix it. Now I've got these bits of aluminium greenhouse frame that were broken that I salvaged out of the scrap pile, and people laughed at me for taking this out of the scrap pile, but we'll see how it goes. You can see that it's just come off. What I'm going to do is, first job is to unscrew these. I think I need a big one than that. Right, I'm just going to cut this a little bit off because that's going to get in the way. So I'm just going to cut this piece off, which I think is about the right length. I mean, it's broken there already, so it's not going to take long to cut through that. Now that I've got that end cut, I'm just going to cut along this bit, along here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put it in like that. I need to flatten this so it fits better. So just got a loose brick there just to take the worst of the blows. Okay, now that I've flattened this edge, I can put it under here. And hopefully those will be more or less where the holes were. So you can see there it actually has a hole. It's too small, but it just happens there was a hole there, so I'm just going to make that one bigger and then mark that one. So that's this one, and the other one is going to go here. Oops, mark those. Okay. I'll do this. Okay, and if I do a hole here. Okay, so I've slid that under there. Okay. Right, so I'm just hand tightening these. The other one. Now I can tighten these screws. Okay, so I've tightened those, but obviously this is not connected to much, so what I'm going to do is drill a couple of holes here and put some bolts through that, and I'll bring you back. Right, I've put a bolt through the bottom, straight through that piece of metal, so it's connected the main part of the barrow to the base. That looks solid enough. Obviously you can see it's coming apart there as well, and it's coming apart there, so this wheelbarrow will not be used for heavy duty work anymore. I think it'll be limited to light duties around the plot, and I will have to get a more sturdy wheelbarrow for bringing in heavier stuff, but it looks solid enough, so let's try it out. Going on fine. Right, I'm pleased with that.